All right, here we are on this gloomy day. Hi everyone, my name is Thomas from mgmclassiccars.com. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. It is a GT350 tribute car. Beautiful stance with the American Racing gray insert torque thrust wheels. Beautiful recent paint within a couple years. Excellent reflection in the paint. As you can see, Wimbledon white with the Shelby blue stripes all around. Brand new wheels and tires, guys. Excellent trim. Chrome is all new. All the stainless around the windows. Fully restored car. Nice emblems. Excellent wipers. Stainless around the front windshield. Billet grille with chrome bumper that's excellent in the front. You guys will be really impressed with this car. Overall quality condition. Ready for the car show. Nothing to do. Just go, have fun, and you're able to enjoy your beautiful vintage classic car. Now let's check out the engine compartment. Here it is. Rebuilt, less than 2,500 miles, 289 engine, interstate battery, beautiful restoration underneath the hood. Everything's been redone and painted under the hood in a nice gloss white, Wimbledon white paint. Upgraded aluminum champion setup on the radiator. If you want to see the trunk, go to my photos and you're able to see that there. Excellent door jambs. As you can see, they've been all professionally done. New door panels, new door sill plates, inner jambs are excellent. All interior has been redone, and nice complement with the wooden steering wheel showing 93,984 miles, believed to be original to the car. Newer carpet, tight headliner, nice package tray. Rear seats are great. Dash pad is excellent, and the cluster there is very visible, very clear on the lenses. And there's your automatic shifter. Let's go for a little test drive. So here we are. You got the left turn signal working, right turn signal working. There's your lights, everything functions, and your wipers do work as well. Horn, boop, boop, not working. That was me, not working. Okay, radial in op. Let's go for a test drive. All the gauges do function. Woo! Chirps the tires in second gear. Someone did a really nice rebuild on this 289 motor, and this trans does have a shift kit in it. Don't let it fool you. This car does move. Speedo works. It drives down the road real nice, real straight. No driving issues whatsoever. No overheating problems. Again, aluminum radiator. It's got some go too. And when you hit the brake, it does stop very well. Trans downshifts as it should. We'll do a U-turn here. No weird noises, hitting bumps. That's all been taken care of. The car is nice and tight. Like I said, this thing's been restored. If you want a nice restored vintage Mustang, this is it. It's not going to disappoint you. You could drive it anywhere you want. Yep, that was me. Smokes the tires. Delivery, call me, text me at 847-848-1850. If you need financing, if your score is between 650 to 720, go call Chris Laganelli at JJ Best. His number is 508-415-1035. your score is over 720 to 800s, go to lightstream.com. They'll approve you in 15 minutes. Before you do that, make sure I still have the car. This thing's not going to be on the market for a long time. Very nice steering. The steering is very easy as well. Love it. So we're headed back to the warehouse here in Addison, is where I keep all our cars. All of our vehicles are owned. We don't really consign much vehicles. We put our money where our mouth is. We go through the cars and tell you everything about them, so you know what you're getting. Be careful who you buy from. Make sure they're telling you everything, and they're doing videos. That's why I do these long videos and 100 photos to show you guys everything. Call me, text me if you need anything. My number is 847-848-1850. Well, call me, text me, not if you need anything, but if you need anything regarding this car. My name is Thomas. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. My 289 Wimbledon white, brand new paint, not a flaw on the paint, not a scratch, not a dent anywhere. Beautiful 289 rebuilt motor with a upgraded automatic transmission with the shift kit. Car has been fully restored in and out. Floorboards are excellent, trunk is excellent, and everything is excellent about the car. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. And check out mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching.